Yo, what's up everyone, this is Ngrave and we are back with another beatboxing tutorial, and today we'll be learning a sound which is known as the Th snare, and it sounds like this. So first of all, this sound is very close to my heart because it is a sound which I learned way back when I didn't know anything about beatbox. All I knew was a kick drum and a hi-hat, and I wanted to learn a snare, but I didn't know anything about PF snare or K snare. So I tried to replicate a snare sound using my mouth, and I reached this sound eventually. And it is a very uncommon sound, and I believe that it is an advanced sound because your mouth takes a while to get that muscle memory or to get that punch of this sound. So I think it is an advanced sound, and let's get straight to the technique of this sound. Let's go. So for this sound, again, you have to say out a word, or you have to pronounce a word which is tug. Okay, so like take the word tug life and remove that ug from tug, so the remainder is th or tug. And you have to say that word tha with a whole lot of pressure in your mouth, basically a whole lot of pressure over your tongue. And remember that while practicing this sound, you have to keep your teeth closed like this. So when I do the tha with closed teeth, it's like this: tha, 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 and I'm removing the vocals now. So now at this stage, you have to increase the pressure that you are creating in your mouth and decrease the amount of air that you are blowing out while doing this sound, and your sound will start sounding something like this. So stage 1 sound was this, and now if I start increasing the pressure and start decreasing the amount of air that I'm blowing, notice how the sound will change. So if you have reached this stage, now you're almost done with the sound. All you have to do is just close your lip. So they were like this before, just close them. And you got a new sound. So give a thumbs up to this video, and if you have any doubt, leave a comment down below. I'll reply to you, I'll clear your doubt. And the most important thing that all of you have to do is hit that subscribe button, because I'll be posting tutorials on unique advanced sounds every now and then, so make sure you get the most out of it. And do not forget to press that bell icon as well. And ish.